Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I'm so excited. Kaleidos Makeup sent me their 2 new palettes. They sent me their first 3 and I couldn't believe it, and then when they DM'd me wanting to send me the 2 new ones, I lost my mind. They are the Futurism 4 VR Neon and 5 Electro Turquoise. I keep forgetting which one is 4 and which one's 5. Look how beautiful the packaging is. They are doing packaging so well. They're just so aesthetically pleasing to look at. Easily some of the prettiest, if not the prettiest palettes that I own in my collection. So I don't have a ton of time to film today. I have literally an hour until I need to leave, but I really wanted to play with these. I wanted to do kind of a first impression / palette bingo with both of them, kind of like what I did with my first 3 when I got those in the mail. I did a palette bingo / first impression with the first 3. So I'm going to do that today as well. But first, let me show you the palettes. This is the number 4 VR Neon. I'm so excited. I did swatch these a little bit in my vlog that will be coming soon last night when I got these in the mail, and they feel so soft. I was actually shocked at how soft those neons feel. They don't feel dry or chalky or anything. They are beautiful. And this is the Electro Turquoise. I was surprised that I liked this one as much as I do because I typically don't gravitate towards blues and oranges together, but something about this just makes my heart happy. I think I like that there's only one orange as well. I'm so excited. I actually used this sparkly white one here as my highlight today. It's not like meant to be a face highlight, but I loved how sparkly it was, so I just needed to put it all over my face, and I think it looks cute. So there are 6 shades in each palette. I'm going to randomly generate, I think, 2 shades from each palette. On the off chance that I generate only shimmers, I will draw a random wildcard matte, but for now we're going to draw just 2 from each, and I'll create a look with them. This will just give us some good kind of first impression playtime with the 2 palettes together. So we're going to do the VR Neon first. We got numbers 4 and 2. So this one is 4, it's called Boss, and number 2 is called Easter Eggs. So we got the orange and the sparkly pink. I'm excited. Oh, that pink is just so pretty. They're so pigmented. And now with the Electro Turquoise, we got number 6 and number 1. Well, number 1 is Wired and number 6 is Shockwave, the one that I used as my highlights. Oh, just look how like wet that is. Do you see why I needed to douse my face with it? Ooh. Maybe we should just draw like a random wild card. I'm just gonna reset it to 12 and starting with the VR Neon, going to the Electro Turquoise in this order, I'm just gonna draw a random 5th one because I can't help myself, I'm too excited. All right, let's see what our wild card is. Number 9. We got this one. We got number 3, which is Tron, or number 9, number 3 from this palette. Ooh, I'm so glad I did that. Look how beautiful this is gonna be. We only have 2 mattes, but they're mattes that I feel like I can just make cohesive crease work with. I'm just going to deepen up the crease with this one, blend it out with the orange. I'll do a cut crease with probably the blue. I think I'll probably pop some of this on the lower lash line and then maybe this one in the inner corner. I'm not sure. I'll do something of that nature. I'm going to zoom you guys in, prime my eye with my Sigma eyeshadow base and Ignite, and we will get started. Oh my gosh, if I didn't say it already, Kaleidos Makeup, thank you for sending me these. My whole day is made. I'm so excited to play with these. I'm going to be doing so many videos. I plan on doing an eye swatch video with both of these next. Now that I'm doing eye swatches on occasion, don't worry guys, I'm still going to do my first impressions. Like, I'm never going to stop playing with them as a tutorial, but I'm going to do this video, I'm going to do an eye swatch video with both of them, and then my next 2 3 Looks 1 palettes are going to be with both of these as well. So yeah, I'm excited. Thank you so much. I'm going to prime my eyes now. We're primed and ready to go. I'm going to take the Electro Turquoise palette first, and I'm going to take Wired, which is that brown one. And I'm just taking this small Morphe M506, and I'm just going to start popping this in the outer corner and running it through the crease. I want this to be really dark, really dramatic. The matte formula from Kaleidos Makeup is so creamy and just beautiful. Everything is so pigmented, but everything blends out so nicely. I feel like literally any skill level would enjoy these palettes. I don't think there's a weird learning curve or anything. Their stuff always comes packaged so carefully and just beautifully. Everyone gets such a beautiful box, and just the palettes are so pretty. I'm so excited to see what the future holds for this brand. I just think they're doing things so right. I think I could totally see them being in like a Sephora one day, 100%. Especially because I feel like their palettes, while they do have fun color to them, I don't know, they have like the ones like the first 3, those were all safe enough that I feel like the average consumer would have still, like, their eye would have been They would have noticed it. I can't speak, it's early. I'm gonna take my orange one now, which is called, oh, I almost grabbed the wrong orange. I'm gonna take the orange from the Neon palette, which is called Boss, I guess. I'm gonna take this Anastasia dual-ended brush, and I'm just gonna start using that to blend out this brown, and I'll just kind of go back and forth between the two shades until I like the way that looks in the crease. But yeah, like I was saying, they're doing a really good job curating different palettes for, I don't know, I feel like palettes that anyone could really like. Obviously not everyone will like the Neon palette, but aside from the Neon one, I feel like the color stories are ones most people could probably get down with and find joy in. I don't know. I'm rambling. I really appreciate when brands are really good at a color story and it doesn't just seem like they just threw random shades in and called it a day. You can tell a lot of thought went into these and I appreciate it. And by these, I mean like all 5 of the ones they've come out with so far. I think these 2 new ones are limited edition, which is kind of sad. I wish they could be permanent, but I always wish everything could be permanent. But yeah, I'm excited to see what else they come up with. Kaleidos makeup, you should, it's gonna be way too late for this idea, but you should come out with a really cool Halloween themed 6-pan palette like you've been doing to release in October. That would be really cool. With like some dark grungy purples and some like wicked silvers and maybe a cool like burnt orange. I don't know. I'm in Halloween mode. Someone make me a Halloween palette, please. I'm going to take just this random clean fluffy brush now just to buff this outer edge even more and just re-intensify things. Just take your time, go back and forth until you like it. I don't know if people ever follow my tutorial, like my palette bingos as a tutorial though. I know that you guys do recreate my looks, but do you guys recreate my palette bingos or do you just do your own palette bingo with the palettes that I used? I would love to know. Or do you just watch for fun? I would also like to know. Just want to add a little bit more dark to this lower lash line. Just because when I pop some shimmer down here, I really want it to pop against the dark. I can't decide if I want blue on the lower lash line or blue on the lid and then pink opposite. I can't decide because either would look so pretty, I think. I think I might do, oh, I don't know. I think my gut is telling me to do blue on the lid, so I think I'm gonna do pink on the lid instead because that probably means I don't do it as often. I'm gonna take this random giant long BH Cosmetics number 7 brush. It's flat enough that it'll get the job done. I have some of my NYX glitter primer on the brush. And I'm just going to kind of pretend to create a half cut crease with this. You could obviously just blend it, but you know me, I like my half cut creases. And I'm gonna dip into Easter Egg from the VR Neon. By the time this video goes up, I'm sure I will have already begun or even finished filming my first 3 looks. I'll probably do the Neon first because it's number 4. I might just go in chronological order. Just because I can't decide otherwise. They're both pretty and I can't wait to play with both, but like I said, there will be 3 looks 1 palettes on both very soon. So don't ask. You guys always ask, like, please do a 3 looks on this. Like, I'll always do a 3 looks. I promise you. Unless it gets to the point where I just declutter a palette before that happens. But in that case, that probably means you wouldn't have wanted to see a 3 looks from me anyways, because that obviously means I'm not feeling it. Just gonna take that brush that I used with the brown to smudge. This pink is so pretty, by the way. But you can see that. I don't even have to say that. It's so cute. I think that pink was a good idea. I think that flows really nice with the brown. And now for my lower lashes, I'm just going to take the packing side of that Anastasia brush. I'm not even going to use glitter glue, because I don't think it's necessary. And I just want some of that up here in the front little part of my lower lashes. And good golly, that is pretty. Just gonna blend it so that it flows in the middle nicely. Because I don't always like, I mean, I do like an all shimmer lower lash line, but I like it when it's mostly focused just in the front. Gives you like a cute little tear effect. And I'm actually just gonna use the same brush I just used. I'm just gonna wipe it off and I'm gonna dip into that sparkly white now called Shockwave. I guess the sparkly blue is called Tron. And I'm just gonna pop this Shockwave shade in the inner corner. So cute. cute. Ooh, I really like this. I feel very cute. I think for my eye pencil, ooh, I don't know. I could go pink or I could go blue. I think I might go blue. Well, teal. This is Fresh from LA Girl. I'm gonna pop that in my waterline, do the other eye, throw on my lashes, something on my lips, and we will finish this up. I have 45 minutes till I need to leave. This was really quick. All right, this is my final look. I'm really glad that I went with the pink on the lid and the blue on the lower lashes, because when my eyes are open, it just always looks sparkly and pretty with that blue, and then when I look down, it's like a little pop of pink. It's so cute. I'm so thrilled with this look. I'm so thrilled that I got to play with these palettes. Kaleidos makeup, thank you. I can't wait to do eye swatches with all of those. You guys really seem to like my eye swatch video with the Sugar Pill Fun Size palette, so I'm excited to do them again. I'm just gonna lump them into one video though, because I don't feel like it's necessary to make two separate eye swatch videos. I'm just gonna put them in one. So that will be coming very soon. That'll probably be the next video I upload if my memory is serving me right. So yeah, I hope you like it. I love this look. Tell me what you think. I love this liner in my waterline. It would have done a really cool effect too if I would have done like a pink to match the lid, but I really wanted to kind of enhance that lower lash line. I thought that would be really pretty. My lashes are these same Sugar Pill Halo lashes that I've been using and abusing, and on my lips I have my Dose of Colors Over the Top gloss. I did not wear a Sugar Pill gloss today, but I am wearing a glittery sheer gloss, of course, because it's my favorites. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna finish getting ready for work. I'm gonna shove some food in my mouth and then I'm gonna go to work all day. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe. I post most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.